Well, welcome back to the channel, Old Cars, New Van. We're at Wentworth Woodhouse, which if you're long-standing viewers of this channel will know that that's the first big show we ever attended back in 2023 with a very impressive Daimler, the Sunbeam, the rakish rear to it. I think that may be called a California. Yeah, some great cars here today, really great. This little Fiat is really bonny. That's lovely. Shout out to Emma, who is a subscriber. This is her car. I promised I would feature this on the channel. Thank you for coming up and saying hi, and we really appreciate your support, Emma. Bet that goes well. That's great, Emma. Love it. Looks really cool. And from the outside, you'd never know, which is even better. And the Daimler 250 with a very bonny looking Zephyr next to it. Yet another beautiful E-Type. Being a lot of the very expensive E-Types here today. And a bonny little Prefect, being the four-door Ford Prefect on the end of this road. Okay, suitably refreshed from coffee and sandwiches. We'll go and have a look what else we can find. So yeah, this really original standard Flying 8, absolutely ticking along like a sewing machine here. Just chatting to the owner, this car was driven by Steph of iDriver Classic. Absolutely brilliant survivor. It was pulled out of a museum where it had been for 40 years. Obviously some fettling on the engine, but great to see that it's staying original and not being painted, and I just think it's all the better for it with the patina. As I say, that engine is as smooth as a nut. It really is. Fantastic. So we're having a look at some of the older cars now. The Alvis here. Sounds like the dog is dying slowly in the background. Little MG. That's a great colour, that is. And another Frog Eye Sprite. We've seen quite a few of these today. And another Standard. I think this is the 10, but I will check. Well, I was on the right lines because it's got an opening boot, but apparently it's badged as a Pedant. So that is a slight new one on me. I'm not an expert on standards, but that's lovely. A really body colour scheme, and yeah, some lovely period correct accessories inside as well. If you peer through the glass, we've got an almost matching picnic set. That's lovely. So a couple of Morris Minors either side of this much older Morris 8. It's that dog again. That's a Series 1 Land Rover. See what a split screen at this age. And this old Talbot. There's some really quality cars here today. Real eclectic mix as well. And plenty of dogs again. Yeah, it's fantastic Cadillac, and obviously the tiny in comparison Wolseley next to it. Love the sign writing on this van. It's terrific. The International. Yeah, it's lovely that. Oh goodness me, it's for sale as well. Come on, Rick from Old Classic Car. This has got to be up your street, surely. Obviously, Morris Minors are plenty, as there always is on these shows. Another Frog Eye Sprite. And the Rapier. Sunbeam Rapier. So that's a standard 10. That's what I was thinking of earlier when I was talking about standard 10s. No, that other one was a Pennant. Triumph TR2. Very nice. So I've just moved the Nissan Sunny to be next to the Nissan Sunny. There's not many times you'll see two B12 Nissan Sunnys together in the UK, I assure you. So obviously they do look very different types of car. Obviously the coupe, really sporty, really stylish. Obviously the estate, really utilitarian and practical. But yeah, to see two B12s together, really, yeah, the Sunny Coupe ZX. With the Sunny. It's funny actually because the sunny word on both, if you compare mine to yours, a very similar sort of, you know, style of lettering, isn't it? Obviously. Oh, that's fantastic. So it's been a great show, hasn't it, Maya?
It's been fantastic.
We've seen some great cars. Thanks ever so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again very, very soon.